In this video, I'll show you how to find upcoming birthdays on Facebook desktop using a PC or laptop. So here's how to do that. You might want to see a specific person's birthday or check your friends' birthdays so that you can send them card, message, or a gift. So keep in mind that some people hide their birthdays so they may not be visible. However, it's still worth checking. So go to facebook.com on your computer and on the left side of the page, click on see more from the bottom. Look for birthdays and you may need to scroll down. Tap on birthdays section to see the upcoming birthdays. If you don't see any birthdays listed, it's because none of your friends are currently sharing their birthday on Facebook. If they were, you would see them in a list here where you can find the date or the person you're looking for. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.